Once upon a time, the Brazilian radio station band FM tried adding sound at 15 cheesy to keep mosquitoes away. Turns out, scientists dismissed the idea as nonsense. There's no scientific proof that ultrasound works against mosquitoes. So, if you're a band FM listener dealing with mosquito bites, you might want to check out Vibis. Apply this gadget to any bites, and it'll take care of pain, itching, and other unpleasant sensations. Vibis also works against stings from bees, ants, and other insects. The idea is simple. The gadget heats the bite, helping break down toxins faster. Effective and reasonably priced at $23. When was the last time you cleaned the inside of your computer? What if there are creatures living in there, like in Agent K's closet from Men in Black? Cleaning is a snap with this $34 gadget that spins up to 110,000 RPM. Choose from 5 nozzles, press a button, and you're good to go. The gadget features 3 speeds and a built-in backlight for convenience. After cleaning, it can also come in handy for inflating an airbed, a yoga ball, or something similar. The number of golfers in Europe matches the population of Portugal. And despite some saying golf isn't popular, just look at what enthusiasts are willing to spend $54.50 on this accessory named Freeshot. It carries ball holders, custom ball markers, and a divot tool. It's all designed so that you don't need to take your gloves off. Plus, Freeshot clips onto your belt without getting in the way of your shots. The makers are confident it's a great gift, even for pros. The average Czech citizen consumes 84 liters of beer annually. Given this, the creators of Draft Top Lift should tap into the Czech market. They offer a can opener that easily removes the top of aluminum cans without any hassle. No need for a plastic cup either. Draft Top Lift is user-friendly for left-handed people and can be conveniently stored in your pockets. A fun way to spend $22. The Omlamp is as lightweight as an ice cream cone and fits easily into your pocket. Its paper body folds up like origami and tucks away in a wooden base. Whether you need a nightlight, a candlelight dinner decoration, or a reading lamp, Omlamp has got your back. Just remember to recharge it. A full battery will give you 5 hours of use. This lamp is priced at $28. These hand warmers go for $43 and are good for both offices or mountain trails. With a full battery, they run up to 15 hours and heat up to 58 C. You get 4 heating levels to choose from. The hand warmers can double as a power bank, giving you 3 and 1/2 smartphone charges. The design reminds us of a wireless mouse, and the surface feels pleasantly velvety. Plus, the build quality is so solid that the seller claims they'll last for centuries. Meet the Keyhole Companion, a straightforward and handy marking solution. With a single swipe, you can mark wood, plastic, metal, and other surfaces with clarity. The set includes black and white ink, both ideal for rough surfaces. If needed, easily erase with a magic eraser or remove it with denatured alcohol. This practical set is priced at $37. If you're a motorcyclist, you should check out the Philo M3 camera. It easily attaches to the helmet, capturing a wide 120 view. Boasting one of the most powerful batteries in the industry, it records continuously for up to 7 hours. The camera delivers full HD 1080p quality at 30 frames per second. Its built-in anti-shake system ensures clear footage in any conditions. With features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it even supports police radio equipment. Store your recordings on a micro SD card with a capacity of up to 128 GB. You can get it for $833. Check out the Ion Air Pro 3 camera. It's pretty impressive. It can go underwater up to 10 meters without any covers, a feat even the GoPro Hero 3 can't match. The basic kit comes with a mini tripod, not to mention helmet and belt mounts. Like the previous camera, it shoots in full HD quality and has an automatic rotate feature. Flip it 180 or 90 degrees and the picture flips accordingly. All of these features come at a cost of $300. Did your pets knock over the feeder, enjoy a feast, and is now lounging on the couch? It's time to get Air Automatic. This feeder is designed so that even if it gets tipped over, the food stays put. Plus, the control panel is safeguarded from paws by a special lid. It can hold up to 2 liters of feed and dispenses it up to 6 times a day. It can be powered by mains electricity or D batteries, and the battery lasts for 180 days. By the way, the basic model on the screen is sold for $50. There are pricier and fancier options too, like versions with cameras or activation by an RFID collar. HS, US, and the ASPCA experts created a database on animals in US shelters and found out that over 3 million dogs alone end up in shelters each year. Some are lost pets, and it's fortunate if they have Tracktive collars. This compact GPS tracker lasts up to 35 days without recharging, showing you where your pet is. The tracker is priced at $50, and a SIM card with a subscription starts at around $5 per month. Now, let's talk about this baby fridge. It weighs only 1.8 kg and can hold up to 4 liters. It's also remarkably silent, so it could even be placed in a library. It is efficient too. If the room temperature is 24 C, the fridge will be around 2 C. Thanks to its removable shelves, you can use it to store food, drinks, skincare products, and more. You can also take it on the go and power it up with your car cigarette lighter. It looks so nice that we find it hard to believe that it only costs $27.